Welcome back to the garage. Today is carpet day. So this is the old carpet, and it looks bad because it is bad, but it's been rolled up, and I'm going to use a lot of it for template. A lot of the jute turns into dust. Because if you can see, it's just this old, nasty brown jute turns into dust, and it's bad. So it's gotten all over the place. It's not normally this brown usually, but since I had it both rolled up together, the jute's been all over it. And still, I mean, it doesn't look good. It's seen better days, and I'm going to start using some of this as template to put into the new car, or the new carpet into the car, and we're going to go from there. As you can see, this is where the rust spot was. It just tore away at the carpet there. So, as you can see, it's been molded. The carpet that I got is molded. You can see where the hump is right here. This is where the seats were. This is where the back seat catch was. But yeah, we're going to work on it today, and I'll give you some updates of how it's going to look. It should be pretty good. I got to cut a hole in the new one where the gas pedal goes. I see a little hole in the floor mat right there. That's where the gas pedal was. So yeah, I'll give you some updates and show you as I go. I was talking about those relief cuts near the brackets. Here's that relief cut. So the back seat bracket was right here where this relief cut was made, and that's pretty much what I'm doing on the new carpet too. So if the old one worked well, why not make it ready for the new? So here it goes. Time to plunge the knife. So every video I've seen, all the guys have said pretty much the same thing. The back goes in first. And it only makes sense because the front's got to overlap the back. The anchors for the seats, let me see if I can get that to you. The anchors are right here. There's one here, there's one over there. My old carpet has like this relief cut for it, like that. And that's going to be the basis for where we start. And then I'm going to start cutting for that thing right there, this red metal thingy here. So that's where we're starting right now. Starting at the back and working our way up. So here it is. As of right now, that's the back coming in. Hush. That's the back coming in right there, and you see over here is where the seat's going to go. So the back seat goes right there. The back part of it goes up top. So here we are, and this is the first step. So carpet is in. I kind of butchered this a little bit, but that's okay. It's going to be underneath the console. I just went off of a lot of what the original carpet had on it. Got the pedal in, gas pedal is in. I got the back seat belts in, the front seat belts are in. Use this gun here, this old frickin' soldering gun, to cut holes, and it turned out really well. And it was super easy to do. Bang, look at that, goes right in. So next is going to be doing stuff for the seats, and I got a little cleanup on the seats I got to do. Not that I shit myself or anything. So to show you how I did this with the holes, I basically found the hole with an ice pick and then put this right next to the ice pick. Let me warm it up a little bit. there you have it. So burns through the jute and the carpet really well. And alright, with the carpet, I put in this kick panel, and it looks pretty good. The first seat, bucket seat, is in, and the I was going to say the gas pedal is secured, bucket seats in. You can see where the little knobs are. Got a little vacuum in here to do, but I'm going to clean this bad boy up so you can see it when it's done. So here's the before. Classic Industries, Jags, and Summit have all been like amazing so far. Here's the old glove box. It's not in good shape. It's got pieces all over. It's just torn to shit. And here's what I got from Classic Industries. It's like $20. So I'm gonna put that in right now. Here's the actual spot where it's going, of course, in the glove box. So I'll put it on there right now, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So the glove box is pretty easy, actually. There's a flap on the left side. You have to put that side in first, and then just kind of push it in. It goes, and you got to take this hasp out, and then you got to take off the door, which is like literally 2 screws. But on the side, there's this little thing. I kept this from the old one. That's for the lamp that goes inside there. There's a light that's right there to light up the glove box. So I'm using the old screws and the old, I guess, light diffuser for the glove box. But what I plan on doing is, if you can see through here, this is all just worn away. I'm going to paint it so it's a little bit better. It is black up here, and this is more of a silver underneath it. So I'm going to clean that up before I put the door back on. The door is just, like I said, 2 screws, easy on, easy off, and that glove box actually looks pretty damn good. What you think?